Hi, I'm Cassie and I drive trucks. Today I have this awesome box with me and I really want to move this from here to my home. But today, unfortunately, I don't have any truck available. Whatever should I do? What if a magical solution just popped up? Please, 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 please. And... what? It worked! Wait, hang on. Is this the brand new T2 cargo bike from Fiido? Well, it sure looks like it. This seems like a very perfect solution to my problem, eh? Let's see if we can load this box. Oops. Hi, my name is Cassie and I ride bikes. This is the Fiido T2. It's a beast of a bike, I'm just gonna say that. It is really fun to ride this bike. I have been trying it out in the middle of Gothenburg and I am terrified to ride in traffic with other bikes and cars and people. But it has been going well. So for starters we can say that this front basket here, and I have these bags here on the sides, 2 on each side. You can store stuff here, obviously. I haven't used this yet. Also I have here underneath, if you're gonna have a passenger that's gonna sit here, they can place their feet on these. These 3 items are just extra things you can order, of course, on the Fiido website, along with the T2. And if you choose to have any add-ons to your bike, you should know that they are being shipped separately. So the bike is in one box and the add-ons will be in their own boxes and they will be delivered separately. So that you know. I have previously reviewed the Fiido T1 Pro. The previous version, this one is an upgrade of that one. So the main differences is this one is a bit heavier, a bit wider. The maximum weight for this bike is 200 kilograms. So it can carry a heavy rider and lots of packing. As you can see, the stand is, you do this to release the bike. You have to be a bit careful with your feet when you're parking your bike, but otherwise I think it's a great solution. So if you have cargo that needs to be unloaded, the bike is like not leaning in any direction, so that's a good thing. Also the speed, the little display is updated from the T1 Pro. I think this one is a lot better. It's clear and simple as it should be. This bike also has a throttle, but it can only be used when you're starting the bike up, so for like a very low speed. Otherwise you have to pedal, but pedaling is so easy. It's super fun, you just pedal the pedals and the bike just swooshes away. So you have to be a bit careful when you're new to this bike, just have to learn to get into it a bit. I just want to be like super safe all the time. This throttle is useful when you're starting up the bike because it can be a bit heavy if you're standing a bit uphill and you want to start pedaling, and that can be very tricky. So I think that's the main point of the throttle, so that you can like start up easily. You get the momentum speed and then you can just pedal away. I really like it. What else? We have battery. You have the key here, and to remove the battery, flip the seat open. And here is the battery. Super easy to remove and bring with you. I don't know the weight, but it is quite heavy. There we go. Put the key to start. Flip the seats and you're ready to drive. Woo! Assembling the T2 is easy. But since the box weighs over 40 kilos, I recommend having a friend nearby for the lifting parts. The box contains all the tools you need, along with an instruction book. Note that the extra front basket and side bags don't come with instructions, but it's really easy to figure out, or just look at the accessory pictures on Fiido's website. It took me about 30 or 40 minutes to assemble everything. I will link a video in the description to Fiido's own installment video, in case you need it. The Fiido T2 is really a perfect bike if you want to bring various cargo, like grocery bags, kids, or camping gear. The extra wide front basket is perfect for my backpack, for example. The hydraulic shock absorbing front forks makes this bike comfortable to ride both in and outside the city, and even fully loaded it climbs hills like it's nothing. I don't own a car anymore, and the T2 has helped me a lot when it comes to moving larger things, like boxes and even pets. I am so happy that I can finally bring my Chihuahua on adventures. Also, here is what the bike sounds like when it's running. A pretty normal sound for an e-bike, I'd say. Today I'm bringing Happy with me on the cargo bike, and he's gonna see one of his favorite places, the dog park. Did a test round with this cage. It's not a perfect cage for this bike. It's not really designed for being on a bike either, but on my first round I tried having it the other way, so he was facing the road, but that made him a bit anxious. So I turned it around this time, and now when he can see me, he's a lot calmer and he seems to enjoy the ride a lot. What do you say, Happy? Wanna stretch your legs? Yeah. Also, I just noticed Happy's little paw prints on the bag. I thought it was just very cute. I love this dog. The most important question when it comes to an e-bike is of course the range. The Fiido T2 is equipped with a powerful 250 watt brushless motor and a 998 watt-hour battery. The battery takes around 7 to 8 hours to charge from empty to full, but since I always bring the battery in after a ride, I charge it up while I'm getting ready for the next bike ride. Convenient! The bike's top speed is 25 km per hour as a standard, and the range can vary depending on how you drive, along with other factors such as terrain, load, wind, temperature and tire pressure. According to Fiido's website, the maximum range for turbo mode is around 102 km, while you can get 136 km on eco mode. I have been riding quite a lot by now, and I have not yet run out of battery during a single ride. So let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest con for me is also what makes this bike so awesome. When you get a heavy and sturdy Longtail bike, it's gonna be, well, heavy and long. I live in an apartment with a fairly large elevator, but it's still a bit of a struggle to get this bike in and out, since the bike takes up a lot of space, especially with the extra large front basket. And that's just something you can't get away from with a bike like this. You can adjust the handlebars here and also here. I actually wanted to raise it up a little bit, but it turned out the cables were like a bit too short for some reason. I think they should be a bit longer. The result was when the handlebar is more upright, the cables were, you couldn't really turn fully. So that's a bit negative, I would say. So those are the cons for me, while the pros are the following. First of all, it's fun to ride it. Second, you can bring all kinds of cargo, since the bike allows you to be creative with its add-ons. 3. The battery, both how long it lasts and how much power it gives. 4. Hill climbing is no problem at all. Overall, I really recommend this bike. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to check out Fiido's website, they have a big sale going on right now. Thank you Fiido for making this video possible. If you are also in the need of a fun, sturdy and awesome cargo bike, check out the Fiido T2. So yeah, check out the link in the description and have a great day! Now I'm gonna take this box home where it belongs.